Hi, Daddy. We ran out of baby applesauce, so we're trying regular applesauce, and Vera thinks it's very bitter. Are you used to the taste now? Are you going to turn sideways and look at Daddy? You like it now? Was it kind of bitter before, now it's not? Ooh. Oh, God, that stuff's bad. Ugh. Oh, my gosh. It's so bitter. You want another bite? I can just barely stand it. For some reason. Oh, man. Why don't you like it? You like applesauce? You like regular applesauce? You just don't like this kind? You can't do it, huh? You want to try it again? You want to try a bite? Not really. Oh, I gotta put my head down. That stuff's so bad. Oh. You spit it out. Why are you making such faces? Why are you making such faces? It's just applesauce. Do you want some rice cereal with it? Let's try some rice cereal with it. Okay. Let's blend it down a little bit. How about that? All right, let's try it like that. Let's try it like that. Let's not dump it over. Can I have that? Thank you. Whoa, that's a bad taste. Can you say, Daddy, I love you, and we miss you, and we can't wait to see you in a week, in a few days. Say bye, Daddy. We send you kisses. Mwah. Smiley kisses. Mwah. Bye, Dad.